This is a user guide for the Income and Expense Tracker by Dysis Digital. On the homepage, on the right side, you can also find a visual guide. First, let's add a record. Click on the Cash Book tab. Then select Insert New Row to enter your data. You will see that the table data is automatically calculated. Now, return to the Dashboard tab. You'll notice that the data has been synchronized automatically. Let's add another income record. Return to the Dashboard tab again, add a February record. Then back to the Dashboard tab. Switch the month and we'll find that the data has been synchronized automatically. Next, let's learn how to modify the categories for income and expenses. Taking expenses as an example, double-click on the category you wish to edit in the table. Change it to your desired category, such as travel. Then, go to the Cash Book tab, select the data in column B, excluding the header, and edit the category from the pop-up menu on the right side. You will now see travel as an option in the table. Change the category, return to the Dashboard tab, and you'll see that the data has been synchronized. Now, let's see how to add a new category. Again, using expenses as an example, add a new row at the end of the category in the table, entering the category you wish to add. In the Cash Book tab, select the data in column B, excluding the header, and add the category from the pop-up menu on the right side. Finally, return to the Dashboard tab. In the Annual Income/Expense Category Summary table, add a new line to the Income/Expense table, and the category will automatically be filled in. Finally, let's see how to delete a category. Using expenses as an example, delete the category row in the table. In the Annual Income/Expense Category Summary table, delete the line from the Income/Expense table. In the Cash Book tab, select the data in column B, excluding the header, and delete the category from the pop-up menu on the right side.